Up close, you can see them dozens of dark, stubborn blackheads hiding just beneath the skin's surface. Today, every single one will be removed with the help of a fine Lancet tool, revealing the clear skin waiting underneath. The skin is first cleansed with gentle, circular motions, sweeping away dirt and oil. A warm compress rests on the face, opening the pores and softening the hardened plugs inside. This is the calm before the storm, the moment right before the deep cleaning begins. The doctor positions the lancet and makes the slightest, most delicate opening at the top of each clogged pore. Then, with slow, even pressure, the blackhead begins to rise. Some emerge in a single, clean movement, thick, dark, and deeply satisfying to watch. Others need more coaxing, resisting until the very last push. The process is repeated again and again, each pore releasing what it's been holding onto for far too long. When the extractions are done, the skin is gently wiped, revealing a fresher, smoother surface. A cooling antiseptic serum is applied, reducing redness and protecting the pores from future clogs. From congested to clear, a transformation you can see in just minutes. Follow for more close-up skincare treatments and satisfying extractions.